Good morning, everyone! Happy Wednesday! It is currently 8 o'clock in the morning, guys. And ang ating Ate Paris ay tulog pa, actually. Yung mami nyo ay nagre-ready ngayon. Nakapaghilamos na ako, kaya mag-ano lang ako ngayon, mag-skincare. Ang ating baby Celine ay gising na. Kanina pa pala yung gising. Yan yung unang nagising. May lakad tayo today, guys. So, after dropping Ate Paris off sa kindergarten, aalis tayo, punta tayo ng kaya mabilisan lang to. Kasi nung oras na. So, today ay i-surrender na natin ang ating Hello, Lini! Kita niyo ba, guys? Hindi. How are you? Mama's getting ready. Yes! Isusurrender natin ang ating Victorian registration at Victorian license dito sa Queensland to get, obviously, a Queensland car registration and Queensland driver's license. So, officially, ay Queenslander na talaga tayo. Alam niyo ba, what's funny about it is that hindi ko na malayan na yung sasakyan, yung car registration pala natin sa Victoria, nag-expire na pala siya nung Friday. Hello, sweetie girl! Tingnan niyo ang batang ito. Uy, anak! Mabilis lang talaga to, guys, kasi i-ready ko pa ang ating Ate Paris ba for kindergarten. What's next, anak? Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ko. Mamaya si mama mag-chika-chika. So, ito, nabanggit ko na to siya sa last vlog ko. Pero hindi ko na ipakita. So, this is the vitamin C serum that I'm currently using. And, mind you guys, hiyang na hiyang ako kasi I feel like, I'm not sure, I feel ko lang naglighten yung aking skin. Even though, kasi na talaga yun, guys, meron na talaga akong mga, yung mga dark spots dito ba. Pero naglighten talaga siya using this vitamin C. Kita niya. Oh! Hello? Nini! Nini, good morning! Ala, nilakaw na. Walk out. Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Hi. How are you this morning? How are you this morning? Are you good? No! Goodness, what's wrong? What's wrong? Are you okay? Yes. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, do you want to wake up, Ate Paris? Go. So it's late now. You gotta get ready. Go, go. Itong mahilig manggising eh. You're good at that, aren't you? Yes. Mama. Yeah, Mama, that's you. That's Lini. Yes. Kabi, Mama. Jojo, Mama. Anak, tapusin ko muna to, anak ha. Ganito lang yung kanyang mukha. So, lagyan lang dyan, konti. According sa kanyang, bottle dito nakalagay. Huwag daw ilagay malapit sa, like under. Like here. Eye area. Uy! Tagak na. Lagyan din sa leeg. Ayan. La Roche-Posay. La Roche-Posay. I don't know how to pronounce that. Ayan, yun. Basta, yan siya. Yes, Nana. So, just let it dry. Pero hindi siya sticky, which is really good. Parang kapit siya agad sa skin. And then, ito yung ginagamit ko na cream. Nabili ko to siya sa Korean na shop. Malapit na nga siyang maubos eh, oh. Hindi ko mabasa, pero yung English na lang, whitening essence cream. Invest ako ngayon sa skincare kasi I go out with bare face. Good morning to you! Good morning. Kiss mommy. Caroline, quick! Good morning! Wake up! Good morning!
I don't have Caroline.
Yes, you do. Come on, Caroline! Good morning. Ayos ko. Ayos, kiss mo.
Kiss Mama.
Kiss mo, mama. Here's my babies. Agay, babies. Agay, dagko na kayo, babies. Agay. Say good morning sa tita. Dito.
Good morning.
Dugay ng mata. Come on, let's go get ready.
Where's Daddy?
Nakabihis na si mami niyo, guys. Mabilis ang pagbihis. So, I'm wearing this dress today. Walang winter? Winter. Hindi naman siya mag-ginaw na sobra. Kasi, sunny and, what? 22, 23.
A few moments later.
I'm going to school now. And, I figured it out. Have a look. I learned the saving it. I learned the saving too. Because I have to make it so I can't reach. Have a look at me. I can always do the light. See? See how tall I am? You can see my skin, my hands. You see. But anyways, I got a treat. And I got a very sticker.
What are you telling tita and tita?
I'm just telling them a secret. About Daddy, okay?
Nak, they can't hear you now. You have to be louder than that, ate.
Daddy silipat. I'll tell them Daddy silipat cause Daddy. And I can drink all of the water.
We're ready now, guys. Alam niyo ba, wala na akong time ng aking buhok. Kaya I'll just leave it like that. Kasi, we are catching Uber papunta doon sa office. I think, tinignan ko kanina, it says like around 15 minutes yung drive papunta doon. So, nasabi ko na nga, yung ating sasakyan ay nag-expire na yung legislation last Friday. Kaya hindi natin ma-drive, guys. So, now we have to take an Uber. At ito ay payak-iyak na, sleepy na to. Ang galawa na si mama, nahubuan na. Okay. La. So, hindi ako magdadala ng pram, guys. Dadalhin ko yung carrier.
A few moments later.
Time check, guys. It is now 3:27 ng hapon. Ngayon lang si mami niyo nakahinga ng maluwag. Goodness. Alam niyo ba, sobrang struggle earlier today, guys. So, ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit. Yung last kanina, diba? Nag-ready kami kasi si Ate Paris ay pupunta ng school and sabi nga ni mami niyo may lakad tayo. So, nung palis sana kami, suddenly, ang ating Ate Paris ay nag-complain sa kanyang tummy kasi masakit na yung tiyan niya. So, we had to stay. Pinainom ko siya ng maligamgam na tubig. And then, parang binigyan ko siya ng tummy massage kasi may oil ako dito na binili nung may sakit si Baby Celine na pinanghihilot ko sa kanila. And, luckily, fortunately, thanks God, after an hour, naging okay yung pakiramdam niya. So, siguro yung ano lang siguro niya, ewan ko anong nangyari. But, yeah, she had tummy ache. And then, hindi siya nakapunta ng kindergarten. So, sabi ko sa kanilang teacher na absent muna si Ate Paris ngayon. Kasi, ayoko namang isend siya sa school. Tapos, mamaya, baka sumakit na naman ulit yung tiyan niya, di ba? So, it's better na, you know, I'm around her. So, Daddy might work from home today. And, ayoko namang iwan si Ate Paris dito. Kasi, yung lakad ko, kailangan ko na talagang umalis. Kasi, yun nga, kailangan nating i-register ang ating sasakyan para may magamit na natin ang sasakyan natin. So, long story short, I took Paris with me. And, as mentioned, nag-Uber kami kanina. So, it took us around 15 or 16 minutes papunta sa office ng ano ba tawag? Queensland Transport and Main Roads. Yeah, Transport and Main Roads. So, tinawag nilang TMR. So, yung ginawa ko guys, dinala ko yung old car number plate namin. So, sinurrender ko sa kanila doon. But before before ito nangyari, Jesus Christ. Kasi nga, nag-career lang ako, diba? So, baby Celine was actually starting to, cry. Kasi nga, nagugutom na siya or siguro gusto na niyang matulog but very uncomfortable siya. So, doon, sila lang yung mga kids doon sa office nila. And you know what? Sobrang daming tao naghintay. Obviously, kasi maraming taong nag-renew ng license, ng registration, everything na related sa car and driving and all nandoon. So, kailangan namin kumuha ng ticket and then, kailangan mong maghintay na tawagin yung number mo. So, doon sa Ate Paris at Baby Celine, nag-place sila at first. Tawang-tawa pa sila, ganun. And then later on, nag-wild na ang ating Baby Celine. And I was still waiting for them to call me. Habang kinakausap ko yung, nag-register na sasakyan namin. Ako si Baby Celine, umiiyak. Alam niyo ginagawa ko, guys? I called my mom kasi si Baby Celine ay, she loves my mom. Like, they love the video ko and that. So, lagi siyang tumatawa. So, for a few minutes, naging okay si Baby Celine. And then, again, umiyak na naman siya. Alam niyo, enough ko yung mama ko. Tinawagan ko na naman si Daddy Mike, pero wala lang boses. Kasi nga, diba, maraming tao doon. So, at least makita lang ni Baby Celine yung mukha ng tatay niya. So, she felt better again. Anyways, alam nyo guys, dito ako, tapos kagakarga ko siya, and then gumagano'n siya, kausap ko pa yung officer doon, and, oh my God. Anyways, the main thing is, nasa uli ko na yung ating old, doon, nabasa pa dyan. Ayan, receipt for bulk plate surrender. So, ayan, so ito yung resibo na, sinurrender ko na sa kanila yung ating old license. Pasensya nyo na ang aking kuko. Wala na si Mami time sa mga ganyan. Oh, naalala ko lang guys. Alam niyo ba Simple Rice? Nanonood kayo ng Simple Rice. Si Daddy Mike, always niya talagang pinapansin yung kuko ni Rice. Kasi, every time na nanonood kami, na nandyan si Daddy Mike, yung bago ang kuko ni Rice. Kaya, ayun, sabi ko, buti pa si Rice kasi, every day, gawin sa mo day, uy nga, sige mo ka pa, kuko na, duha na gani mong kids, pwede ko pa kuko. So, na okay ka, day. Shout out the Simply Rice, babe. Panotes naman dyan, day. Panotes naman. So, sus, ito. Alam niyo ba, ang bobo ko talaga minsan. Minsan lang naman. So, nung sinurrender ko ang ating old number plate, ay binigay ko rin ang screw. No, kailangan kong maghanap ng screw. So, officially, Queenslander na kami. Wala nang Victorian. Official na talaga, guys. Taga Queensland na talaga si mami nyo. I will do this one later. So, now, obviously, drive na natin yung sasakyan natin. So, the other thing, i-ano ko pala sa inyo. So, I paid, yung binili ko lang muna na license, na registration guys, 6 months. So, yung 6 months is worth 400 and... Basta hindi siya nag 450. Just under 450 Australian dollars. That's for 6 months. So, obviously, mga nasa 900 kapag whole year yung kinuha. And then, yung mga kakailanganin pala, just in case may mga nanonood dyan na, diba, baka makatulong konti. So, nagdala lang ako ng passport ko, tapos yung Medicare card and bank card, kasi meron akong signature doon na makita nila. Kailangan yung license, but then, yung lisensya ko kasi guys, I misplaced it. It will be here somewhere, kasi last ko nakita yung lisensya ko was yung nabangga yung sasakyan natin, which was a month ago. And then, kasi pinicturean namin yun. Hindi ko na nakita guys. Ewan ko saan nalagay. So, since wala ako noon, yung dala ko lang is yun nga. And then, merong kailangan nito. Bills. This is electricity bill na nagsho-show kung yung address mo para mag-prove talaga na sa Queensland ka na talaga tumitira. So, ayan. Ito yung electricity bill yung dala ko. Pinaprint ko kanina kay Daddy Mike sa post office. And, yeah, yun lang yata yung hiningi. Oh, and also, you need to bring the roadworthy certificate. Kaya tawag nila ditong safety certificate. So, last week nga dinala ko doon sa nagtingin na pa-check kung okay ba yung sasakyan na i-drive, wala bang issue yung sasakyan. And since our car is only a year old, guys, it's still perfect. It's only on 5,000 kilometers ata. So, everything is fine. So, yun, pinakita ko sa kanila. Yun lang naman yung kailangan talaga nila. And then, voila! That's it. We got our car registration number now. And then, yung plano ko rin sana, guys, is yung aking lisensya. So, yung aking license, obviously, Victoria pa yun. Hindi ko nga lang makita. Kailangan ko nang kumuha ng Queensland na license. Ngayon, kasi nga, kailangan nila yung actual na license, guys. So, since wala ako noon, ay wala ako, kailangan daw nilang i-email yung Vic Roads sa Victoria just to confirm all the details na, obviously, I'm fine to drive and parang legit na nag-drive talaga ako. Kasi hindi nila tinitake yung kahit meron akong picture, wala yun sa kanila. So, yeah. Anyways, they have to do that. And then, sabi nila, it will take a few days before mangyari lahat yan. So, they will just send me an email kapag natanggap na nila yung details from Victoria. Ngayon, sabi ng officer doon na after July, 1st of July, ay magcha-charge na sila ng 78 something dollars kapag nag-change ka ng license mo from other state. So, since before 1st of July ako pumunta doon, sabi niya, naabutan ko pa daw yung free. So, I'm very happy kasi sino ba naman hindi maging happy kapag nakasave ka ng $78, diba? Pero sabi niya, just in case na hindi ka makatanggap ng email from us until July, don't worry kasi pa rin namin na free yung sayo kasi you came here before 1st of July. Kaya nga lang, you have to come here. As soon as you receive that email, you have to come here within 10 days. Para ma-grant namin yung free na pag-change ng license mo. Kapag hindi, then you have to pay like that. And I have to keep an eye on my email kasi I'm so bad at keeping an eye on my emails, guys. Last time nga, yung sa car insurance, na ko rin kasi hindi man ako nagtitingin ng mga email minsan, guys. Kaya yun. But, ginagawa ko na siyang habit ngayon na every now and then, I check my emails just in case merong mga importante na mga emails pa na dumarating. So, ayan ang aking mapapeles. Oh, hinanda ko talaga guys last night para walang makalimutan. Kasi, especially ganyan, may mga kiddos, nawawala na. Wala na ako sa isip. And then, pumunta kami doon kasi may mga shops. Actually, nasa part siya ng parang shopping mall pero maliit lang ba. So, pumunta kami doon kasi pinadedi ko sa baby Celine. Sus, alam niyo ba, sobrang iyak nung isa, nung maliit. Tapos sa Ate Paris ay kailangan magpupo. And then, nagpupo siya doon sa ano, sa TMI ba? Pumunta kami ng parents' room. And then, oh my God. Basta guys, hindi na lang ako mag-chika guys kasi parang TMI ata. Pero mabilisan na guys. Sinabi ko, come on. Hindi na ako ano pa doon. Straight na. Kahit alam niyo naman ako guys na kahit sa Melbourne pa, sobrang hilig ko talaga yung mag-shop. Sobrang hilig ko talaga yung mag-shop, yung mga ganun. Wala na yan ngayon guys. Ay, wala na. Down the drain. Wala na akong time sa ganyan. Kasi si Ate Paris ay nag-stop sa, merong isang Asian, like, hindi grocery, yung mga, mga laruan. And then, meron silang ganito. So, bumili na rin ako. Magnets. Kasi, tingnan nyo, it looks very bare. Walang yung ating fridge. Admire without jealousy, praise without flattery, follow without imitating, lead without manipulating. Diba? Diba? Ilagay niyo yan sa inyong mga ulo, ha? There we got this. Koala. Australia, it's a bloody long way. And then there's a van. Beach. So, notice na wala ang ating Ate Paris dito. Sinama siya ni Daddy Mike na nag-lunch break. 3 o'clock na nag-lunch break si Daddy Mike. Siguro na feel, kasi alam niya Daddy Mike kayo na, kasi alam niyo ba guys, nung nandun kami, tumulog talaga yung luha ko guys, kasi parang overwhelmed na ako ba, kasi last night, wala pang magandang tulog, kasi baby Celine, paiyak-iyak, 2 o'clock na siya bumalik ng tulog, basta, so, ayun, umiyak. And then, na-stress ako guys kasi nga may 2 bata tapos yung hirap nag-Uber pa, so kaya sa Daddy Mike, I'll take Paris with me sa lunch break niya, and then baby Celine is currently sleeping, kaya nga nakapag-vlog tayo ng ganito guys kasi ako lang mag-isa, minsan lang to guys, alam niyo, kahit lang ganito lang guys, kahit wala akong gawin, basta quiet lang. I really appreciate it. Like, quiet moments na ako lang mag-isa. Ganun. It's not naman na, hindi mo gusto may mga kids, ganun. Hindi, minsan ba, sinasabi ko lang na appreciate ko yung mga time sa ganito, kahit ilang minuto lang na parang wala akong, hindi ako nag-aalala ba, kasi alam ko safe si baby Celine doon, nagtulog, tapos si Ate Paris nandun sa kanyang tatay. So, yun. Kakagising lang guys, nakadede na. Hi, Shush. Hello, princess. How you feeling? How's your nap? Hala, Daddy's home na. Mama, Daddy's home na, Daddy's home, beep! Come on, let's go open the door. Wanna open the door? Oh, sure, beautiful girl, Mama. Are you a beautiful girl? Sabi, Mama! Sabi, Mama! Mama! Dada! Ate! Langga mo na mama eh. Ngayon big girl na.
Mom.
Mom. Mom. Let's go have something to eat. Are you hungry? Or you just had Didi man there? You just had Didi. Pinabata ang palanggo siya, Mama. Alam niyo ba guys, yung white noise, yung naririnig niyo na parang ulan, tubig, we always have that on kapag natutulog kami kasi I feel like it helps. Let's go na tayo. Tatay dito na kung paabot na open sa door. Shush! Kabot man ang ritso. Uy! What did you get, Paris?
Nothing.
She didn't want anything from the shop. She wants Vegemite crackers.
You have to eat, my love. You have to. And Daddy Mike's back. Nakapagupit pa yan si Daddy Mike. Now show your hair. Daddy B, your new hairdo. Iba rin. Sana all.
Sana all.
What did you get for me, Daddy? Daddy's got sandwich. What's that?
That's
Chicken?
mine. That's mine. Yours is the banh mi.
Itong binili ni Daddy Mike for me, guys. Banh mi from the Vietnamese bakery. Banh mi, banh mi. Tonight, and then tomorrow night, and then Lola Karen will be here. Are you excited? Lini, are you excited now? Baby?
I really not. I love it so much.
Do you? Mabilis Daddy Mike. Spinach. Lamb kebab. Satay style. Minced pork. What's this one? Chicken tenders. Take that off, Nakbe. You don't need that one, Nakbe. And then gourmet salad. Put this in the fridge. Oh yeah, may laro ano. Open natin. Glitter. Wanna give that to Ate Paris? Wanna give it to Ate Paris? Wanna give it to Baby Jojo? Hello, boo, boo, boo. Oh, Jojo, Josh. Lini. Lini. Hello. Hello. Lini girl. Are you a Queenslander? I told you Queenslander. Langga, mama, ay beautiful girl niya. Nak, are you following Paris?
Oh yeah.
Anak.
I like
Ayaw, nak. Ay, saan nak? Kayo patadlo, tanak.
I do like this too. Mike.
Ayo, ipon anak. Anak, ipon bal otro.
Mike, that's right, Mike.
Ihap balik, ihap.
Mike.
Anak.
Mike, do
Aha,
it.
le.
Mike. I can do it.
Anak.
Ato dito na.
Mike, I can do it.
Na. Oh, ipon lang misa.
It's not
Ah?
good. Mike, you have to get that. Let's see.
Samok,
Mike, there
makan.
we go, Mike. There we go.
Thank you. So, oy, imo naman nang gigubot. Abi?
Na, to pala na yapon te. Na.
Half jod or danara?
Mike, do it
Up?
first.
Ano sa anak?
Ay, na kayo.
Dali ha.
Anak.
Pala yapon dali. Ayaw. Ito po ma'am.
What did you make?
I'm making some.
Nakagawa na kami ng, ano guys, barko! Boat!
My milk in the.
Airplane na, Mac! Airplane, Mac! Tuloy siya airplane, Mac, ba?
Easy ba kayo na airplane na?
Go! Go, tuloy, tita ko.
4 directions.
It's nearly 7 o'clock. At nabihisan ko na itong isa. She's already in bed. Yan siya, hindi pa. Hi, Sati. Shh. Hoy!
Oh yeah.
Shulungkong.
So cool.
What na? What is the Bisaya of salt?
Asin.
What is it?
Asin.
Asin. Good job. Pineapple?
Apia.
Piña.
Am I right?
Correct. Well done, honey. How about fart?
A twit? Is that right?
Good job. Well done. So we're reading this book, and the title is, what's the title, Lini?
Moana.
Moana. Moana. Tignan nyo guys, yan yung ating dehumidifier. I mentioned before na meron tayong diba, problema dito na molding, yung mga, basta mga mold, maamoy. Ganyan. So that's the dehumidifier. Although, katabi niya naman ay humidifier. So, ito sila, may mga sipon. Yung humidifier yung nilalagay ko overnight. Kasi it clears up. I'll turn this off pag matutulog na. Yung, tapos yung humidifier ulit. Kasi, lagyan ko ng, meron pa ba kayang naiwan? Ay, yung oil. What's this snack? Is that Moana?
King of fire! This rally's on fire! Can I see? Can I see?
Amazing! What happened? Again.
This rally's on fire! This rally's on fire! He's walking the fire! This rally's on fire!
Good job.
I tried to do a show.
Okay.
Okay, one more time.
Okay, madam.
He's just scared. He's on fire. Oh, wait a second. I have to get out the top. Magic says.
No.
Let's me to butterfly. Okay. He's just scared. He's on fire.
Alright, let's go. Who do you want to win, Mommy or Daddy? Yeah, go Daddy, go Queensland.
Come on. Okay.
Ready? Paris, you won.
What?
You rock. Go.
What?
What do you want Daddy to eat?
Silly girl. Just kidding.
What do you want Daddy to eat? You choose.
I know.
What?
It's a dumb
Which one?
dino plate.
Yeah. That's alright, I can eat something. What do you want Daddy to eat?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken meat.
Chicken, man.
Chicken silly meat.
Whose turn is it?
Okay, I need to tell you what I want to pick.
Okay, what?
What do you want?
What do you want to be?
Don't tell
I
me.
want you to be paper.
Alright, ready?
That's paper.
You're so good. What do you want Daddy to eat? The carrots, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you and
I
Mummy?
want to tell you.
No.
No, don't tell me.
Please, please, please. Please, what can I tell you? Please, I want you to get paper. Don't do this. Okay, can you?
Don't listen, Mummy.
Okay.
Huh? Just scissors? Why do you look at me? Emma.
Okay, eat
Look
some.
at mommy then.
Yeah, piña. Piña!
Alright, ready, Mummy? I already threw it out. I already had it as scissors. Bob, I was like scissors and you're like... Do it properly, come on. Do it properly. On the floor. Bob, throw it down properly, ready? Let's go. That's right, at least I lost fair and square. No cheating, you know what I mean?